Today I'm going to show you how to make apple flapjacks. You will need 200 grams of oats, 75 grams of butter, 75 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of apples chopped, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Firstly, you want to pre-line a baking tin. I have used a 28cm by 18cm tin. Then you want to peel and chop your apples into small cubes. Firstly, in a saucepan over a low heat, add your butter, your sugar, your golden syrup, your chopped apples and your mixed spice, and combine over a low heat until the butter has melted and it is all well combined. Then add your oats and stir really well until it's all well coated. Then put this into your pre-lined tin, pressing down with the back of your spoon. And then in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted, bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden. Then once cooled, chop into the size pieces you want and enjoy. And there you have it. That is how you make apple flapjacks.